Alright, so now we're going to learn about installing Jupyter notebooks and Jupyter Lab on our home computers. And to do that, we're going to first install this Anaconda system. It is for managing things, these open source programs like Jupyter, and Anaconda is steered. Well, you can read about it in Wikipedia. See right here, and it's for Python and another programming language called R. But it also manages installations of things like Jupyter notebooks, and you can see other things down here. So we're going to go right to installing on Windows, and we are going to download the installer. Installing on Windows, you can see here for Mac OS, there's Linux. Probably you don't have a Linux computer at home, you might have a Mac, but that's a different video. So here we go. We're going to install this distribution. That's the free one. Download the installer, and so now we get to another window, and okay, let's click download once again, and let's look carefully. Now you see it, for some reason says the Mac OS, so look at the top here. We're going to go Windows, and we're going to download 3.7. And we want, most likely, unless your computer is very old, we want the 64-bit, but we just click here and that'll be taken care of for us. Now notice something is going on down here on the lower left, and we can also click on Show All here on the right, lower right, and it's downloading away. Mine says this one here. That's just because I've already downloaded it, but I decided to go ahead and do it again so you guys can see it. Alright, so 662 megabytes, that's quite a large file, and it's actually going quite quickly, but it's going to take a while, so I'm going to pause this and then return in a couple of minutes. Alright, pause. Okay, now we have returned, and you can see it's much further along, and it's almost done. And it's tidying up, and now it says show in folder. But we're going to just do it very simply. So we can go to the Windows Start menu here. And whenever a file is downloaded, unless someone's changed your computer, it goes to a folder called Download. So we're going to type in DOWN, and then you can see right here Downloads. And I have it set up so that I see the latest thing, date modified today. So that's the last thing that was downloaded. The other thing you can do is simply type in the name of the file you're looking for, Anaconda. It's enough, and you see there is I downloaded it in the past. So this one here is some different type of file, but you should see this. I downloaded this a while back. You also see this one here because I downloaded it again and show it to you guys in the video. Alright, so I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to go double click it, click, and hopefully something's going to happen. There we go. So we're going to say that we want to run it. This is just a precaution to make sure we don't do anything stupid to our computer, but we recognize this. So we're going to click run, and it's going to go and do something. Okay. So you close all other applications, which I basically have done. Okay, we could of course close this browser window. This is just a Windows Explorer window. Alright, so we basically have it set, and then we're going to click next, and we have a licensing agreement here. It's always good to look it over. Basically, you really care about privacy things. This is just that if you can, since you don't have to reverse engineer this, you can look at the code, the things people have written. But it's saying that if you do, you need to take care, you need to acknowledge and tell other people that, yeah, I wrote something, but other people wrote other things, so everybody deserves to get credit. Okay, I agree. And I am going to say this should be for all users, in my opinion, but this is where you need someone who sets up your computer. It could be you, could be your mom, your dad, or a brother or sister, but this is a decision. I mean, if you're not sure, you can just go just me, and that will work as well. I'm the only user on this computer, so I like to use all users, though, in case I temporarily create a new user so somebody can use it. Okay, I'm clicking next. And now it's, once again, I'm going to say yes. I see that it's still the Anaconda company. No problems. And I'm going to agree with where it wants to install, which is usually the best, because you may get a problem later when the program can't find something. In principle, that's not supposed to happen, but it's always better to take the default. And let's see, not recommended. Okay, I see. Register, yeah, it puts it in the system registry. Paths used to be an old way of doing things, but they have the system registry in Windows, and this way, when other programs that need to talk with Python or Anaconda, they just look into the system registry. That's the best way to do things. Alright, we're going to click install. And it's doing its merry thing. Oh boy, that's what it's doing. A tar is a kind of archive file under Unix, Linux. It's like a zip file in Windows. So this is taking quite a while. It seems like it's going to take a while, so I'm going to pause the recording, and I'll be back in a little while. Okay, we can see now that it seems like it's close to being done. We shall see. Maybe we'll be pausing again. I don't know. Ooh, I don't know what that was. You may not have even seen it. Some little thing flashed up there. Okay, well, I'm going to once again pause. It's running another. We saw a terminal window pop up, so it's installing Python right now. Oh, completed. Alright, so I'm not going to pause. Let's hit the next button. And what does it say? Anaconda and JetBrains, huh? Bring you Anaconda-powered environments tightly integrated in the PyCharm IDE. That's something like Jupyter Notebook, but we're not going to install PyCharm. Let's see what's next. Learn more is the most data science platform. Okay. Well, we're going to uncheck these for now, because we're going to just focus on getting Jupyter going on. So I'm going to click finish. Nice. Alright, so we closed the web browser. Let's go back here for a minute. And let's see, choose. Oh, yeah, walks you through it just like this video. What's next? No. Alright, so let's see. We want to see. Well, you know what? I'm going to stop this video and start a new one. Just so we don't have too many big files. So watch for the next video. Well, it'll be in the YouTube channel.